So this is second Roman number. Third question. Find number of ways in which a committee find number of ways in which a committee of 4 students in which a committee of 4 students and 2 lecturers can be chosen out of 10 students and 8 lecturers Okay, so this is a question. Okay, now what is the given here? Underline this word chosen. From the word chosen, what should come to our mind is we are forming a committee. Okay, that means it is selection and then it is combination. So this idea should come to my mind. Okay, so let us write the answer here. Please try and understand first here how many lecturers are there and how many students are there. Okay, so here students and here lecturer. This is for you to understand. Okay, so here now how many students are there? 10 students are there and 8 lecturers are there. How many you require now in a committee? So in a committee you require 4 students. So you require 4 students and 2 lecturers. So how to write the answer? Okay, answer is here 10. From out of 10 students you want 4 students, and okay, out of 8 lecturers you want 2 lecturers. Okay, yes, so quickly complete this. Find the answer. 10 into 9, 8, 7 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. So 2 ones are 2 4s are here. So here you're getting 28 and here you're getting 4 2s are 8 will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So 210 into 28. So answer is 5880. Yes, you can start this step directly. Okay, there are no step for no marks for the sentences. You can directly write the answers. Okay, answer is 5880. Here, go to the fourth question. Fourth question is find R if 25CR plus 3 is equal to 25C2R minus 3. Now, I have already told you if we have NCR is equal to NCK, then either R is equal to K, this is one option, or R plus K has to become equal to N. So here I cannot see R and K are equal, so I have to opt for the next option, that is R plus 3 is equal to, you can take that, R plus 3 is equal to 2R minus 3. So you're getting the answer easily here. 2R minus R is what? R. R is equal to 3 plus 3, you're getting 6. Find number of straight lines and triangles that can be formed out of 20 points, that can be formed out of 20 points of which 8 are collinear. Now, whenever they have given you collinear points, okay, if Now a line, if we are considering K, if the collinear condition is there, we must require the minimum points is 3 points. Keep that in mind. Okay. So if there are no 3 points, we can't call them collinear. 2 points can be written anyhow. They cannot be considered as collinear. Okay. So out of this, what is given? N is given 20. K is given 8. Okay. What is the formula for straight lines? So straight lines, let me just write the formula first and then quickly proceed. Okay, so it is NC2 minus KC2 plus 1. Then for triangles, what is the formula? NC3 minus KC3. Okay, so quickly write the answer. Number of straight lines. That is, write the formula NC2 minus KC2 plus 1. Substitute, please. So you're getting 20C2 minus 8C2 plus 1. So here you're getting 20 into 19 by 2 minus 8 into 7 by 2 and plus 1. So here you're getting 10, here you're getting 4. So it is 190 minus 28 plus 1. So together you're getting 163. This is about the straight lines. So similarly, we will find number of triangles. So number of triangles is equal to NC3 minus KC3. So that is equal to 20C3 minus 8C3. So that is equal to 20 into 19 into 18 divided by 3 into 2 minus 8 into 7 into 6 by 3 into 2. So 6 gets cancelled here. 6 3s are 18. So here we are getting 1140 minus 7 is a 56. So it is 1084. So sixth question is find number of parallelograms. Find number of parallelograms that can be formed from a set of 6 parallel lines, intersecting another set of 4 parallel lines. Okay, what was the formula? Remember, it is MC2 into NC2. So M is our 6, N is our 4. Okay, so write the answer directly. So here M is 6, N is equal to 4. So when the question asked is find the number of parallelograms, write the formula. It is MC2 into NC2. So therefore that is equal to 6C2 into 4C2. Yes, find this answer quickly and give me the answer. Yes, what is the answer? 6C2 is 6 into 5 by 2 into 4 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 15 into 6, you're getting 90, is it? Is this answer correct? Yes. 90, number of parallelograms out of 6 parallel lines and 4 parallel lines. Yes. Okay, coming to the 7th question. Find number of diagonals. So the question is find number of diagonals out of 20 sides. So from a polygon of 20 sides. So underline this word diagonals. So our answer n is equal to 20. So this is always, n refers to the number of sides. Okay, n is always 20 here. That refers to number of sides. What was the formula? Number of diagonals. So write formula, number of diagonals is equal to nc2 minus n. There was another shortcut formula I have told you. What was that? N into, directly you can write, without writing this step, you can directly go to this step also, n into n minus 3 by 2. Okay, so left up to you. If you are writing this also, no problem. This also, you are getting the same answer. So what is your answer? N means 20. So it is 20 into 20 minus 3 is 17 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So therefore, how many diagonals are possible? 170 diagonals are possible. Okay, write the next question. 170, correct. Yes. In a party, each person shakes hand with everyone, else. If there are 25 members, in a party, calculate the number of handshakes. Calculate the number of handshakes. Yes, I want the answer from you all. Yes, answer. How to do it? There are 25 people. In order to get a handshake, how many hands we require? 2 hands to be merged, okay, to be shaked together for a handshake. Okay, yes. So what is the answer here is 25C2, and that will give you the number of handshakes, which is 300 handshakes. Quickly complete. For a handshake, 2 hands are required. Okay, so 25 people are there, 25C2. So that is equal to 25 into 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 12. So therefore, 300 handshakes. Yes. Now suppose we have N, C, R. If in the question you find the word included, okay, included, then what you have to do is, now for example 2 included the question is, then what you have to do is, from N also you have to subtract 2, from R also subtract 2, because they are already included, no need of selecting them again. That is the meaning. So when the word included, I tell students just to remember like this. From top also minus, from here bottom also minus, from N also minus, from R also minus. That is for included. Suppose if the question is to excluded, these 2 words you need to understand before you start the problem. Okay. If the word included is there, from both minus, from N also minus, from R also minus, because they are already included, no need of including them once again. They are already in the committee, like that. To excluded, always excluded means from top only. That means from the number N, you have to subtract 2. Whereas from R, no need to subtract. Okay. So 2 excluded means from only top minus. Here, no minus. Where included means from top also minus, from here R also minus. Is that clear? So included word, both minus. Excluded word, only top minus. You just remember this much. Now let us see a question based on this one. Okay, so you'll understand it clearly. In how many ways can six people be chosen Okay, in how many ways can six people be chosen out of 10 people if one particular person is always included? One particular person is always included. Underline the word included. That will give you the idea. So included means what I have to do? From both I have to subtract. Now before I write that, first you just understand only till here. Okay, particular person till here. Okay, so from just this much, what could be your answer? Then I will check that included condition. Okay, understand the answer please now. Just concentrate when I'm writing here. Now, read that question. In how many ways can six people be chosen out of 10 people? So, what will be our answer? Isn't it 10C6? Okay, so I'm just stopping till here. 10C6. Now, I'm looking at the condition. If one particular person is always included means what I should do? From top also minus, from bottom also minus. How much I should minus now? 1%. So I have to subtract 1. So what will be my answer now? 10 minus 1. So it will be 9. See, from 6 also I subtract 1. So therefore it will be 5. Is the idea clear? Is the idea clear? When it is included, what I have to do? I have to subtract 1 now. From where I have to subtract? From 10 also, from 6 also. So that I will be reaching 9C5. Is the idea clear? One message. Yes. So 9C5 is also equal to 9C4, isn't it? So 9C5 is also equal to 9C4. So what is this answer? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So 4 2s are 8 gets cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are get cancelled. Yes, what is your answer? 1 to 6. Yes, very good. 1 to 6. Complete quickly. If a convex polygon, now this question is very, very important for 3 marks. Okay, sometimes it will be asked as a 2 or 3 marks. If a convex polygon has 170 diagonals, find the number of sides of the polygon. Now, here students go wrong mainly reading the question. It is 170 diagonals. They mistake that as sides, and in place of n they write, because they see that word diagonal and they know only number of diagonals formula. That is n into n minus 3 by 2. That formula they know, and in place of n they substitute. Many students, in spite of telling so many times, they are doing this mistake. Please open your eyes and see the question. It is 170 diagonals. Sides you have to find. So n is not given in this case. Okay, so please try and understand. Okay, let us write the answer. So what do we know? We know number of diagonals. Let us write the formula. Number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. You can also write nc2 minus n, it will give you the same answer. So now diagonals is given, so here you have to write 170. Please don't write in place of n as 170, that we have to find out. So here it is, I'm getting n into n minus 3 by 2. Now this 2 I can multiply here. So what happens, 770 into 2 will become 340. So n into n minus 3 is equal to 340. Okay, so now we have, suppose we can take inspection method. So which two numbers? So here 2 into, here I'm getting 170, 2 I'm getting 85, and 5 I'm getting 70. So 5 2s are 10 2s are 20 and 17. Am I getting the difference here? So 20 and 17 I'm getting. So here it is 20 into 17 is equal to 340. So therefore n is equal to 20. You can directly write by inspection method. Otherwise you can write by taking quadratic equation. But just remember here, in the previous section, n was given and number of diagonals was asked, right? In the second Roman number. Number of sides, 20 sides only was given and diagonals was asked. There we got 170. Now it is just the opposite asked. Okay, these are the only two questions present in the textbook. Okay, so sometimes they just choose from the textbook, that even don't change the question numbers. Even the numbers will be the same. So please try and understand, go accordingly. Such an easy question, don't lose marks. Okay, a man has 10 relatives, comma, 4 of them are ladies, 3 gentlemen, and 3 children. In how many ways can he invite? In how many ways can he invite 7 relatives to a dinner party? 7 relatives to a dinner party so that first question, there are exactly 2 ladies, 3 gentlemen, and 3 children. Second question, there are exactly 2 gentlemen and at least 3 ladies. At least 3 ladies. Now, before you write, let me explain to you. Please listen carefully and then write. I'll give you time to write after I finish this. Now, first understand, there are 10 people, okay, 10 relatives. Among them, there are ladies, gentlemen, and children. So how many ladies? So ladies are there, gentlemen are there, and children are there. So there are 4 ladies, 3 gentlemen, 3 children. So hope this picture is there clear in your mind. Now, before I go to write the first answer, that is using combinations, first let us always, see, you have to always make like this columns. This will help you to understand the answer fast and quickly. Okay, here easily also you can do that. So here it is ladies, and you write gentlemen, and you write here children. This is total. Total how many here? How many ways? 7 relatives only you have to invite for a dinner party. Okay, so let us now here, how many ladies are there? Let me keep it 3 and 3 children. So total how much I want? I want 7 only. Okay, so now see the first question. There are exactly means equal to 2. Equal to exactly means equal to. So I want exactly 2 ladies. Okay, so where there are ladies, I will write 2. Then I want 3 gentlemen. Okay, so 3 gentlemen, 3 children. Check whether this total has made us, and here it is 2 children. Okay, please make this correction, first one, because only 7 we want, no? So this is 2 children. So here now check whether this is equal to 7. Is it equal to 7? 2, 5, 7. Yes. Okay, so over. So this is your first question. So how to write this first answer is, yes. So how to write this first answer is, see, out of 4 you want 2. So here it is 4C2. It should be always into here. Now I will tell you what will happen if you write plus sign. Okay, when I have the second question, I will tell you what will happen when I have the plus sign. So now we are writing into 3C3. Out of 3 gentlemen, I want full 3C3 I want all 3 gentlemen into, out of how many children are there? 3. How many children we require is 2. Okay, have you understood to write? Now, before you start writing here, check this. This 2 plus 3 plus 2, is it becoming 7? Yes, then only we can take it, consider as one case. Okay, so here remember, that is why we are writing into. But suppose I had written the plus sign. Suppose I had written in place of into the plus sign. That means here this first, that R is there, right? That there only full 7 should be covered. Otherwise, you can't write that as one case. Hope I'm whatever I'm trying to tell is clear to you. Yes? Yes, is it understood? If you are writing plus sign, that means one case should complete over here only, but it is not completed. We want 7, so therefore we are writing into sign. Okay, so what is this answer we are getting? So it is 4C2. 4C2 is 4 into 3 by 2. We are getting 6. 3C3 is 1. Same number, 1. 3C2, what did I tell you? If you have one number and one less number below, so the top number will be your answer. So it is 3. So therefore, this first answer is equal to 18. Now look, an examination paper, an exam paper, I will write all short forms, okay? An exam paper consists of 12 questions. Consists of 12 questions divided into parts A and B. Divided into parts A and B, containing 7 questions in part A and 5 in part B. 5 in part B, full stop. A candidate is required to answer 8 questions. A candidate is required to answer 8 questions. 8 questions, selecting at least 3 from each part. At least 3 from each part. Full stop. In how many ways can the candidate, in how many ways can the candidate select the questions? Select the questions. Okay, now let us understand the questions. The question here. So there are 12 questions and it is split up into part A and B. In A there are 7 and B there are 5. What is the condition? A candidate has to write how many total questions? Is 8 questions. Okay, so total is required to answer is 8. At least 3 from each part. Again, at least word, so it is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, yes. So let us form the table for us to become it easy and clear. So here I have A and I have B. There are 7 A questions and 5 B questions. So total I require is 8. What is the condition? At least 3. So let me start with any one now. At least 3. Let me start with the, so condition is greater than or equal to 3, and here also greater than or equal to 3. This is a condition. So let me start with equal to 3. Okay, I want this is equal to 8 only. Total has to become 8. So if I take 3 in the first one, I have to take 5, full 5 from the second one, isn't it? Because I have to complete this equal to 8. Okay, now I will start increasing the number A. So if I take 4, I have to take here 4 because I want this is 8. If I take 5, I have to take 3 because this is equal to 8. Can I take 6 now? Can I take 6? Can I take 6? Come on, quickly tell me the answer. Can I take 6 from A? Why no? Why it is no? What will happen if I take 6 in A? B will get how much? B will get only 2, which is going against the condition greater than or equal to 3. Hope you are able to understand then. Very good. Okay, so I cannot take that 6. I can take only till here. So these are the 3 different cases. Now we know how to write the cases. So write with me. Come on, we'll start writing together. We have less time. Quickly complete. So here this is. So here we have, let us write the cases. So here it is 7C3 into 5C5. This is the first case. Or second case, 7C4 into 5C4. Or 7C5 into 5C3. These are the 3 cases. Okay, so let us find this answer. So here 7C3, how to find? 7 into 6 into 5, 5, 6, 7 by 3 into 2. So I'm getting 35 here. So 35 into 1, this is 1, no? So therefore I'm getting this 35. Plus 7C4 is also equal to 7C3. Okay, so 7C3, what is my answer? 7 into 6 into 4 by 3 into 2. So I'm getting here 28. So it is plus 28 into 5. 5C4 is 5. Plus 7C5 is also equal to 7C2. So that is 7 into 6 by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So 7 threes are 21 into 5C3 is also equal to 5C2. So it is 5 into 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2. So 10. So together my answer is 35 plus. Check this. 7C3. So here this should have been 5, not 4. Okay, so 7 5s are, this is also 35. So 35 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry, 5 3s are 50. 175 plus 210. So together these are the 420 ways a candidate can select the questions. Yes. So this will be